What's next, Madeline? What song next?
Yeah, a lot worse. I think you fall in love with a person that you're emotional with. You know, it takes.
What song do you want to do? I love you.
I love you.
You love. We're a family with a and a kiss from. Won't you?
Say
You
love you.
too. Yay! What's next? What's next, Madeline? What song next?
A baby song?
What's the baby song?
A baby song?
Sing it to me.
A baby song.
A baby song. Did you make that one up for Charlotte? What's next? Is that it? All done?
Again?
Again? Which song? Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.